The following video is dangerous and involves explosives that, if aimed at an object or person, may cause serious damage, so please ensure strict caution when attempting to either construct or activate this device. Enjoy the video. Welcome to another tutorial video. Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to make a spud gun. You will need a 2-foot length of 3-inch PVC pipe, a 3-foot length of 2-inch PVC pipe, 4 feet of 3/4-inch PVC pipe, a 3-inch threaded plug, a 3-inch to 2-inch reducer, a couple of large hose clamps, a piezoelectric spark igniter kit, 5 90-degree 3/4-inch elbow joints, a 45-degree elbow joint, and a 3/4-inch T. Total price, $50. The first step in making your spud gun is getting the right-sized combustion chamber. When we went to Home Depot, we got a perfect size, exactly 2 feet long. The first step in making a combustion chamber is to attach the threaded plug. In order to ensure a strict seal, you're going to have to use PVC primer and PVC cement. First, put a thin coat of PVC primer onto the 3-inch PVC pipe. Apply a thin coat, and then do the same on the inside of the threaded valve. Then take your PVC cement and again apply a thin coat onto the 3-inch PVC pipe and a thin coat on the inside of the threaded valve. Now you can push the two together. Apply pressure until it dries. The second step in making your combustion chamber is attaching the 3-inch to the 2-inch reducer. You are going to do the exact same thing. So flip over your PVC pipe, take your PVC primer, apply a thin coat to the non-covered end of the 3-inch PVC pipe. And before you do this, you should probably rub off the PVC pipe with a rag. And same on the inside of the 3-inch to 2-inch reducer. Then take your PVC cement and again apply a thin coat to the 3-inch PVC pipe and a thin coat to the inside of the 3-inch to 2-inch reducer. Push the two together and apply pressure until it's dry. The third and final step in making your combustion chamber is to attach the piezoelectric spark igniter. We are going to draw 2 circles about 8 inches from the end cap, each a 1/2 inch apart. Now that your combustion chamber is done, we can move on to making the handle and the launch system. Here we have the piezoelectric spark igniter inserted into the combustion chamber. Now we're going to build the handle. For this, you're going to need your 3/4-inch PVC pipe, and we're going to cut that down to a 5-inch and a 3-inch piece. You're going to need your PVC 90-degree elbow, and you're going to need your 45-degree elbow. This is what the first section of the handle looks like. Now we're going to make the second handle using the T and 4 of your 90-degree elbows. This is what the finished version of the handle is. In order to wire your piezoelectric switch into the handle, we're going to have to drill a 1/4-inch hole 6 inches from the end. We're now going to attach the piezoelectric spark igniter to the handle. In order to do that, we first have to attach the PVC pipe that was originally holding the handle onto the combustion chamber. You will do that using your hose clamps. Now that we have the handle attached, we can attach the piezoelectric spark igniter. So you just stick one of the wires into the hole and you push it down until it comes out the other end. And you do that for both wires. This is what it should look like. You should have your switch and everything else wired through the handle. We're now going to move on to making the final product. If you have not already cut down your 2-inch PVC pipe, cut it down to about 3 feet. The process for making the final product is exactly the same as making your combustion chamber. You're first going to have to prime the PVC, and then you're going to have to cement the PVC. I'm going to do that right now and permanently attach this 2-inch PVC pipe. After you finish your gun, it should look something like this. It's gigantic. And now you're ready to take it out to the field. We are ready to fire the spud gun. So you got your spud. Bang it down. It's inside. Then you want to take your jamming rod. Jam it down about all the way down, about 30 inches from the end. Then take your axe, spray it in for about 3 seconds, cap it off, screw it on tight, and then fire. There you go, you have your spud cannon.